Imagine a world unseen by the naked eye, where towering structures dominate the landscape. These aren't buildings, but hair fibers, and beneath their surface, a universe of microactivities unfolds. This is the world we'll explore today, hair fibers under the microscope. At first glance, a single hair might seem simple, just a strand. But under the microscope, this changes dramatically. The outer layer, the cuticle, resembles shingles on a roof. These overlapping scales protect the inner layers, creating a resilient barrier. Zooming in further, we see the cortex, the core of the hair fiber. This is where the action happens. Here, melanin pigments determine hair. Color and keratin proteins provide strength and elasticity. The cortex is a complex matrix, a bustling hub of cellular activity. Beneath the cortex, in some hair types, lies the medulla, a central canal. While its function isn't fully understood, it's thought to play a role in hair's flexibility and moisture regulation. But the microscopic world of hair isn't just about structure. It's also about processes. The hair fiber is constantly undergoing changes, absorbing moisture, reacting to heat, and responding to chemical treatments. This dynamic nature is why our hair can be styled, colored, and reshaped. Understanding the microscopic world of hair fibers is key to healthy hair care. By knowing how hair behaves at a cellular level, we can make informed choices about products and treatments. From the cuticle's protective scales to the cortex's vibrant activity, the hair fiber is a marvel of biological engineering. So, the next time you look at your hair, remember the hidden world of activity happening beneath the surface? A testament to the intricate beauty of the microscopic.